Exactly.
Right, Kerry, you get in.
Against you?
You get in.
Go on, Kerry.
Kerry, get in. I'm using the
Kerry and Lydia.
Not with boys. No, just Kerry Lydia.
Kerry and Lydia.
No, do it without sleeping bags.
Come on, Kerry and Lydia.
No, not with Lydia.
Kerry and
Not with
Lydia.
Lydia.
You Kerry and Lydia.
Well, she just said without sleeping.
No, I said for the boys.
We do Kerry and Lydia.
Kerry
We need a tag team partner now. Come on.
Kerry
we need
Lydia.
another person in the ring.
Kerry Lydia, that's fair.
That is fair.
You can't even, literally,
Yeah,
weight
it
isn't an
doesn't
issue.
matter how big you are.
Look, you just have to joust. Yeah, and you're pretty.
Yeah, right, we didn't Kerry and Lydia.
Right.
Have you decided?
Oh,
No, none of that.
And you've lost your star. I haven't got it,
Oh, this must be.
but I do want it.
Right, Kerry. It's only Kerry's bag.
Harry, I just got us a kid. Property out, you get the aluminum.
I'm really hot though.
Really chiller.
Yeah,
First
it's
thing
right,
down.
What?
Wait, what's the jousting stick?
No, I'm hot.
Oh no, you just got to charge each other.
You're the guy.
Yeah, you are the jousting stick.
Is it on?
Yeah, but I don't think we should get this one.
Kerry, if you hurt me, I'm gonna go mad.
See, this is the thing.
Are they genuinely doing this? This is fantastic.
Hannah is like more of a match for Lydia.
Here's the most beautiful girl in the world.
Come on,
Hannah.
Oh, just for future reference, in case anyone wondered, this is what Lydia looked like when Warden pulled her. There we go.
Lydia thinks I'm gonna hurt her.
Lydia versus Kerry, right?
Yeah.
Never said anyone from the outside for jumping.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying, yeah?
Yeah.
Harry knows what I'm saying too.
Wait, we're not doing it.
I win.
First one to fall. Don't do the sit on
by
the
all
face.
means. Yeah, and I'll stop you.
First one to fall. Not doing the whole shot. No, don't do the sit on the face.
We're doing 3 rounds of this first one to 4.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I just want to relocate over there. No. See now.
Yes, Nana, I haven't even played it.
No, I'm getting it all here, but I don't know how to do it.
You just pull yourself up. Well, push yourself up.
Sorry, I'm just wrapping
Oh, I thought it was going to end horrible.
How'd you get on?
We're going to watch Hannah try and get up some stairs.
Hannah.
Oh, that was less hilarious than I'd planned.
Hannah.
Hannah, you sat on Timmy's pita breads.
Whoa, Kerry's getting ready.
I'm really hot.
Kerry, everyone knows any good sleeping bag wrestler takes the top off.
Oliver.
Come on, get in the arena.
Just not professionally, are we?
I'm like so hot right now.
That's why you just licked my arm.
Swear I didn't.
I'm just licking Hannah's arm.
I did not like Hannah's arm.
Well, I can honestly say what I'm doing. That's very
It'd
good.
make up for the gayness before.
Sort this out. Go over there then.
I'll sort it out.
What do I do?
Right, wait.
You just barge into Kerry as hard as you can.
Oh shit.
Should we help?
You've not
Have
said
Emma over there.
No, it's first one to fall. First one to fall.
I'm sitting on my face.
Right.
Hey, where's the hook?
Again, this is Lydia, the night that she pulled Walkden.
What, dude?
What's up?
I'm not sitting on my face.
What's up?
No, it's first one to fall.
First on the floor.
I wish I was
What's
on
up?
top now. I'm so tired.
Lydia Walkden.
Fuck off. Second round.
Versus Kerry Hopkins. That is correct. It is Lydia Walkden versus Kerry Hopkins.
How did I Kerry Hopkins?
Come on, Lydia Walkden.
Oh, Lydia Walkden, what a nice day.
And Kerry Hopkins.
Disgusting. That's a fine.
I think I would.
Lydia at university.
On top.
She
I wish I was Beyonce. Yeah, but if I was Beyonce, I could stare at myself in the mirror all the time. All
If I was
day.
Jay-Z, I could shag Beyonce all day.
Yeah,
And on and on and on.
all day. Right, Lydia Walkden.
I can't. I'm like all sorted.
Just get up there one more time.
Just go up.
What?
This is the shittest start I've ever seen.
I know.
You shit.
3, 2.
Hey, wait, actually,
Wait, hold on, pause the answer. Not like that opera shit though.
That's the right tone. She wants the right music. Get in your corner.
Kerry Hopkins, you better do me proud.
Get in your corner.
Kerry Hopkins.
Which one did you get? You go in.
Sims!
3, 2, 1, hit it.
Oh, this is shit.
Look at me, make it me.
Harry, still on face.
No, there's
This
5
is
rounds.
fun.
Hurry.
Is that?
No, there's 5 rounds.
Lydia, you've got to use some tactics. Man on man, basically, Kerry is just going to boss you over.
You've got to run around.
Get up!
Don't get none of your CDs back.
None of these CDs back.
3, 2, 1.
Tactics.
Ding, 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 ding,
Tactics, Lydia. Right, I can't film this. Tactics.
Move. Oh, Kerry's down.
No.
Kerry's down.
No, she's on her knees.
Kerry, get up, come on.
She's stable on her knees.
Get her on her ass, come on.
Hey.
Get her on her ass. Kerry, your arms out.
Whoa.
Ding, Kerry's arms
That's
out.
illegal shit, Kerry.
Round 2.
Mate, I'm sure it's illegal if you push someone.
I didn't push it.
Bullshit!
1-1.
Kerry, did you see me push you?
Mate, I like slammed it.
Kerry Hopkins 1-1.
Never mind.
That Hopkins win this round, man.
I'm in.
Wait, hold on. Oh my god.
Said get out the car.
Get in the corner.
Get out the car.
3, 2, 1. Ding, ding.
Toby and Jake. I'm filming.
What are you doing? Move!
I enjoy Lydia's stance.
Round 3 to Kerry.
Girls are so much
Spell
worse.
then.
I think it's pushed me!
This is a really bad fight.
I'm a bit bored.
Kerry Hopkins taking a 2-1 lead over Lydia Walkdens.
No, Kerry can work in there.
Oh, no.
Yeah, but what's Lydia Walkdens going to do about it?
3, 2,
Wait!
Lydia, how many kids are you going to have on Walkdens? 3 kids?
1. Ding, ding, ding,
She's
ding.
going to have sex in 4 times a day, so
times a day?
many.
Harry, please leave.
I'd be sore. Really don't want to.
Oh, it's a bunch. It's a bunch. Oh, it's an intruder.
Hurry, Mrs. Kerry!
Shut up! That isn't a laugh!
Come on, round 5. Winner takes all.
What?
Next one wins.
Hold on. Can't get up.
Come on, Kezza.
Go!
Kezza H. Kezza H. Lydia Warden, you can do this, I believe in you.
Hold on, what's that?
You know what? If you win this, you get to pull Walkden.
You win.
That's your prize!
We'll win the prize.
If you lose this, I'll probably give you a kiss.
The prize for the winner is a kiss on the lips. Not a pull, a kiss on the lips.
Just a kiss on the lips.
The winner of this round
I'm not content with this
kisses
shit.
Walkden on the lips.
Okay.
Come on. What are we talking about?
No, Lydia, don't.
Lydia, it's a
Harry
kiss
is
on
going
the
to
lips.
win.
Lydia,
So,
come on.
care.
No, okay. Just to make it more interesting, the loser kisses Walkden on the lips.
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Yes. Yes.
Wait, put my hood on. No, when you die, I didn't agree to this. Put my hood on.
No.
Kiss. It's only a kiss.
Guys, it's a kiss. Come on.
How, but it's walked in.
No,
Dude, right there.
let's be honest. Lydia's gonna lose, let's be honest.
And then she's gonna kiss you on the lips, and you're gonna love it.
Please don't lose.
Hold on.
No, I really don't want to
Wait.
Oh, Walkden, just kiss her on the lips. Lydia, remember, if you lose, kiss your Walkden. You can't just take your hood off, that means you're just not.
Wait, put my hood on then.
Yeah, but you look hotter with it off.
Right, Oliver, can I say something and not with the camera? Every time you just put the camera away, go!
3,
It's not allowed to be on film.
Hey, camera on me.
Hopkins. 3 kisses not on film.
No.
Yeah, okay.
No, film.
Hopkins.
No
Yeah,
kiss.
that's fine. To be fair, if it's gonna happen, I won't film it because it'll be better
3,
on.
2, 1, go! 5! Who's gonna make the first move?
Walden, get
Hey,
there!
no, I love the tension, I love the tension.
Come on, if you lose, you've got to kiss Andrew.
I love the tension. I love the tension.
It's a lose. This is a lose-lose situation.
No, it's not. They're both hot.
It is a lose-lose situation.
Carry on, come on, carry on! You're allowed to scrap! Arms allowed! Arms allowed! Go fucking mental! Go crazy! Go crazy!
We're not too loudly.
Send the tunes on.
Right, if nothing happens, carry on, tag me in.
Get off my hand! Get off my hand! Alright, sorry.
Oh, she's down!